Rain Island, one of the planet's most important breeding sites for one particularly precious species. The green turtle. On a few special nights each year, as many as 20,000 females come ashore here. Their instinct to nest is strong, and many haul themselves far inland in search of nesting space. In a single night, they may lay as many as 2 million eggs. Dawn. This exhausted female has nested, but now she faces a long return journey through the dunes to the sea. As the sun rises, she's at risk of being baked alive. Every inch she travels is grueling. And the ebbing tide has exposed a rocky reef. It has already claimed many lives. Other females overcome by heat and exhaustion. Her temperature is rising. She has to keep going. As many as 2,000 female turtles may die here each year. But the coast is always changing. And the turning tide may yet save her. Half of all the green turtles in the Pacific come here to nest, as they have done for at least 1,000 years. But for how much longer? If sea levels rise as predicted within the next 30 years, Rain Island will disappear beneath the waves. Coasts are dynamic, dangerous frontiers, and they are changing faster than ever before in human history. Life is remarkably resilient and adapts to new challenges. But there is a limit on how fast it can do so.